So, we're going on a camping trip. Me, Javier, and Lucky. Right now we're driving to Javier's house to wait for him to get off of work, and then we're gonna head straight down. And his house is actually directly on the way for me, so it's nice. Anyway, Meridian, Texas. Here we come. You ain't ready for. So I'm here waiting for Javier. Lucky and I are. And the storm hits. I'm watching Raymond. Javier, where are we going?
We're going to Meridian Falls. Oh no.
No.
Meridian, Texas.
Meridian State Park. Hey, we're almost at Meridian. We're driving through the storm. Javier's being my navigator. We're a little under the influence of the weather.
It's bad weather.
And so we're making our way. We'll see you when we get there.
That was deep.
Oh fuck. That was going above the side mirrors, fool. Shit.
Do you want your review?
Oh shit. God damn it. Fuck, I can't ever see these motherfuckers.
You want me to drive?
No, just tell me before I.
Where do I go?
What are you doing, Javier? Where are you going?
Where do I go?
Where do you go?
Oh, I can.
Yeah, you made it. We're out here at this rest stop right before Meridian. I don't know if you can see. Way out there. That's where we came from. Damn, fool. That looks so dope. Here, record this. Just look how dope that looks, right?
Yeah.
Come here, Lucky. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hey, luckily my feet aren't wet yet, even though I stepped in that water. Where are we going, Javier?
We're gonna fucking climb trees and shit, like that tree right there.
Oh yeah?
Well, not that one, because it's wet. But like a dry tree, like over there.
I gotta take a piss, but how do I get there?
Over there?
Jump on the logs? Oh! Is it all wet?
It's like moist. Yeah, I just got my feet wet. You need those plastic bags. Damn, she's getting all wet. Yeah, look at my shoes. Fucking not even the thing. I need a plastic bag. Put on some other socks.
What are you about to do? Let me make sure I get this on film. Go ahead. Do what you're gonna do. Alright, Javier, I'm gonna take a piss. Don't look. Don't peek. Now I'm gonna video tape you so you don't see. Make sure you don't watch me. Bet you on the candid camera. Damn those clouds.
They're like poison ivy shit.
No, she's eating the grass. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Pop in. Good.
There's round two.
Round two. Here we go. Round two. So we're here. Javier, what happened?
Nothing. The river's flooding, yo.
Hey, what's in there, buddy? So the road is flooded. We're not gonna be able to get through it. And honestly, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen anytime soon. We gotta get across this shit, man. If this dude in this truck is not getting across, we're not fucking getting across. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know what to do.
Dude, I don't think we're gonna be able to cross.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to cross. I mean, like, there's way too much water out there. We're gonna have to set up camp right here. These people's yard is fucking completely full. water. Just hear it. You hear the water. So that's our adventure. Oh shit. Where's that dog? Is he in the water, buddy? Is he in the water, buddy? I think those dogs are stuck on the balcony.
Is that house in the flood area?
Yeah, that whole, I think the dogs are barking from the balcony, the patio, because they can't, you know, go in the grass. It's all fucking flooded. Oh shit, almost went down.
Shouldn't somebody go get him?
Who?
Oh, look, is that
That dude?
Is that the ambulance and shit over there? Is that water rescue?
No. It's just, I guess they're stopping people from going in there. Damn, this sucks. What are we supposed to fucking do? Damn it.
Oh shit, bugs are everywhere. Where's my fucking spray?
So we're here.
Oh shit, there.
And apparently this flash flood just happened. And we get stuck in the city right before in Morgan due to a road being over flooded. So we're like, okay, we'll go back. We're gonna go to a different road. Right when we turn in, they fucking shut it down. And dude, homeboy tells us, you're not going anywhere. So we are stranded in Texas from water on land. We're stranded on land in Texas. What the fuck? We can't go anywhere. We're from out of town. And we have nowhere to go. Fucked. We made it.
Huh? We did.
We made it through the first night. Here's our shelter. We got one tarp down, one tarp up. Didn't rain that much.
Do you remember that river?
What river?
That fucking went over the highway or the road? That was fucking crazy, yo.
All that water that we went through.
I know, you went through a lot of water. I was like, holy shit, dude. Small store we went to and everybody was there?
Yeah, when we got stranded in fucking Morgan.
That one house, dude, it was underwater, wasn't it?
I don't know, it was close.
Water kept rising. One lady said I had to leave. My house is like up to the windows with water.
Oh yeah.
At that
at the gas station. I forgot about that. Oh, this sucker.
Where? Is there a trash bag?
Hiding from the bobcats.
There's that. Is that Bear Grylls shit?
Huh?
What is that? We're gonna
Tripod.
do some.
No, fool, it's a tripod.
Yeah, but are we gonna start like filming like some rough shit?
Yeah. Some rough shit. Everyone, I miss every fucking one.
It's crooked on this side.
I think it's this way. Yeah. With daddy long legs crawling up my tent.
Where?
Maybe you'll give me a little neck massage.
I'm gonna scream that you were gonna step on him.
I have my drops.
Nobody wants your eye drops.
Huh?
I want your jacket.
What? What the fuck, nigga? What are you laughing at?
Your eyes are dried the fuck out, yo.
Where? Oh shit. So now we gotta go get some more firewood because our fire is out. We only had enough for one day.
You know what I was gonna bring?
Huh?
Crazy fire colors. Man, I saw them on sale and I saw something else and I totally forgot about it.
For real? Nice! Okay, so today we're gonna be making breakfast. Now what we got here, only 3 eggs. And we got sausage, tortillas, onions, and all.
No, I have hot dog bun.
For what? Oh, no, I'm talking about this. And we're gonna be cutting up some sausage for to throw into the eggs. All on the tortilla. First, cut these up. Show the world your hot dogs.
Look at that.
Probably shouldn't have done this.
So it's not gonna matter.
Pimienta negra, black pepper. Yeah, I can speak Spanish. All right, Javier.
Damn, too short.
Huh? Try the other one. Come on, nigga. Don't be a pussy. We got the oven and we got the stove. Got our breakfast. We're all gonna mix in the pan. And Javier's gonna heat up the tortillas right on there. Shit.
This one more?
Yeah. I'll put relish and mustard on mine. Here, up here. There's just shit. Cheese would have been good. That smoke is killing me, man.
Damn, that was badass, yo.
Damn, Javier, damn.
Like it gives you non-stop kindling. Like seriously fucking real. Look, yo. What is this? This is like the kindling tree, yo, from the fairy tales. Wet wood though.
This is the day 2 setup. Day 2 setup, Javier.
Day 2.
Need that soap.
Okay, what are you doing?
Is this your jerk chicken right here?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Marinating? What else do we have marinating?
The chicken and the steak.
4 steaks. How many people are there? 2 men. 1 dog. Decided to park backwards. Everything's easier access. We got this line right here hooked to the tree. We have this wrapped all the way down there. Let's get this. Just throw a big one in there. Big one, Javier.
Yeah.
You might have to take the hatchet. Hold on, hold on.
I'll lay down for a second.
Javier's a ninja. Oh, look at that Goodwill sleeping bag. That's nice. Man, you got a lot of them in there. Better close that before the spiders come in. Got myself a hammock. Put my feet up. Relaxing. Got Javier. We're in the tents. People driving by, like, damn, I wish I had a hammock. And I'm just over here like, damn, I like this hammock, it's nice. What's Javier doing? He's coming back up. What happened, Javier? You woke up?
I just fucked up my tent and the inside.
So we just got done taking a walk. It's just what the doctor ordered because my head was hurting, and now it's okay. Now we got home. It's probably like 6, 7. Sun's going down, getting low. So Javier is about to get on that dinner. Some chicken thighs.
Man, I picked up pretty good. We really need to burn that large piece a lot pretty long.
We'll start smoking.
Dude, that fire is fucking going good.
Ooh, that thing flared up. That was great timing. I'd say Javier's first camping trip has been successful so far. What do you say, Javier? Yeah. He's gonna be a woodsman soon. Gonna get him a tent. He wants to get an SUV so he can pull his RV behind it. SUV pulling the RV.
Huh?
Yep.
Tortilla.
Whoa, 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 no need to kick the trash around.
Shut up.
Look. Not a hit first? It's gonna give you cool smoke. What's today, Javier?
Camping day number 3.
Got Lucky over here. We got Pop-Tarts cooking down in the fire. And we got the hot dogs.
What? I'm making more.
He's paying it forward to the next people. Give him back. One swing at a time. Our campsite is empty. Everything's pretty much packed up. Neither myself or Javier has taken a shower since Friday. And we've been sleeping outside since Friday. Cooking and eating outside. Everything since Friday. It is now Sunday. Javier has to get back to the normal world tomorrow. But I will have time to reminisce for 4 days after this trip. Javier's first successful camping trip. Floods, road blockages, animals that go bump in the night, hatchets, dogs, food.
Hey, are those burning up?
What?
They're like right on the fire.
Might have to flip them.
Oh shit, they were burning up. Oh damn, it's black.
Oh shit. They're probably done, Javier. You only toast them for like, what, a little bit in real life?
Not like super bad,
They're
but
probably
they're
got
fine.
gooey on the inside now.
I hope so.
What are you eating, Javier? What? You got your Pop-Tart? Was it ready?
Oh yeah, dude, it was really good.
Pop-Tarts
Only had two on mine. Only had two on one side. I don't know how yours got 4. It's kind of weird.
Hmm.
Isn't that good? It's just warm, but not like super toasted.
Mm. That's better than at home. I don't have milk, but I have beer. I'm gonna show you the lake. Come here, look. Follow the dog. She knows the best trail. Where are we going?
I don't know. Go back home.
Ooh, a little sunset. Fuck yeah. Look, can you see the lake?
No.
Oh, that's the end of the lake.
Missed it.
Missed it.